application software da koi makhal ani lei computer gi ngarang soina haidoni software haibasiga hardware haibasiga software se laktar gadi opposite da hardware lei hardware se gi opposite se software hoidini hardware haibasiga software se ga khenari je aina ngarang na koi da haigibdu yengakpra thijanbra haifet nainabra matam phangbra day to day life tai koi gi life ta thengnari ba hardware na thaba shop leiriba mayam sing sida yoliba hardware siga computer gi hardware siga khenabra khenaragana kamai khenai khenadragana kamai na khenade masina koina thijanba ngambra thidraba male noi kaimta khumnadre thiragadi sat sat khumakadabne ba ko natra hardware se ha thideba okay kichu kai de not a problem hardware se ate kemta natte ko chamani definition koina day to day life ta thengnari ba hardware na koi carpenter singna dagi ate ate topa singna mogi dukan da yoliba poching je hardware daktani yes that is right akhoi gi computer sida ju computer gi hek component sing leirakadoi jing se part sing se masi yoliba jing se hardware ni akhoi gi computer gi component sing si semiba mayam juna hardware servicing ai rakadoi ni servicing ne kharko matam sida software haiba ma hardware haiba ma ani tona laaya yan dai ko software servicing adi kaino nangi software do yarakta ba kholak to matamda reinstall to buni khangde repair to buni khangde troubleshoot to buni khangde torga sembe similarly hardware gi components sing sida ju karigumba part ama yarakta targadi madu semaga yabra saraga yabra sem data yada targadi anoba ma replace to duine okay now hardware is kaino high target the physical component physical component ni that is we can touch and feel it aikoina paiba yaba amasung aikoina pairiba potu karino na isa da feel to yaba adugumba potu bu karino hardware there is no difference between the day to day life hardware and the computer hardware even english ki word meaning sab manabani different leiroiba ko aduni hardware refers to the physical component of the data processing system data processing system is kaino nothing but the computer computer ni computer sigi any physical components in the karino hardware ne input storage processing and a control device are hardware device and hek tapak pasing se ekoina ningsing ba yaba je se dai sta koina pin to ba yaba kariguma ma koina pin to ba yaba kaino ha tar computer gi the components hardware sing se kaino ha tar di device ek tapak gumba sing se masidi moi sum soi dram ne dum hardware ne output device to hardware makalab ni ko input device to hardware ni storage to hardware ni control device to hardware ni makoi jing keyboard si to hardware ni mouse to hardware ni hardware professional deals with the manufacturing and maintenance of computer khangauro ko computer gi de hardware ha ko matamda manufacturing maintenance is nothing but the services when hardware yarakta bogol da kari ko porama kai yaraktre function ta udre ko hai targadi madu ki photo kaino hardware okay now software refers to a set of computer program and produce the effective operation of the data processing system. Software is nothing but the program. Program is a set of instructions combined to a set of instructions in a karigumba thabak ama pangthukliba madugi poto karino software ne software to the result to negative low by positive low by lana pirak pay chumna pirak pay that is program dugi matung ina laigadabani computer da aikoina isam samna phone wagera kari wagera aikoina kaiguma tabam tawa matamda phone si kedoi magi function sing se tapi ga harakta magi application se tapi ga haidra ado targari kaino madugi poto magi software to gi malfunction oiba haide bugs yawa computer gi londa programming gi language da bugs era ni ka kogi adugumba yawa error leiraba software ni harakadoi ne aikoina karigumba ama program set of program ama procedure to tawo matamda result se ani leidoineba either good or bad aikoina good to pa magana good to law no hona doineba good to pa matamda good to phangdana bad phangtar gadi madugi poto kaino akoi program do ka soire ji khangdoineba yantai ko isam sam na koi program ase nothing but the cultural program ama hare je koi cultural program ama pangtok tori ye haje keno cultural ki oiba set of kedoba instruction mayam na leiraba mathang manau nai na sathagadaba adugumba function ama leire haibaneba aduna ne koi program na haije likewise adumai tawdana computer da ju program ne haraba software ne haraba adu gadi ate kemta natte function macha ama execute tawrani madugi output laigini madugi input laigini aduna software sida is the makal khar thong khaidoreba kari haina khaidore hai kanda ekoina kedoba application software and system software and khaidoreba masi lagtar kanda ekoigi phunga wari hai gadra makoigi maitai gi manipuri singida hai leira thang leira hai leita haiba adugumba chandra misisa gi da yauba dialogue ama pawro ama matang asida pusale matau karamna software ga hardware ga se moini thana ba yade yantai ko aikoigi atai aikoigi yum sabda kaida sizinariba mi do makoina yopi leiruni nungthang leiruni adu mayam leigir ko that is the different computer da di kaina hardware se leitar gadi software leita yadeba software se leitar gadi madu ga chana ba hardware leitar di hai leira thang leira hai leita hai riba ja masidai sida laeba masina haibadi isam samna software as hardware magi chanaba hardware leita tar decision aba yadde hardware se magi chanaba software yaw da tar gadi useless ni haibane ko yantai ko aduna software engineer sing se programmer ni system analyst ni developer ni and maintain software aikoina karigumba podama isam samna aikoi day to day life to thengna boina haise karigumba posak ama aikoina tha tar gadi magi makhong som akoi pambi ma hekta hairaji ka pambi ma tha tar gadi madu kedawi aikoina makhong sombi ba ising chaibi ba watering to khotpa mayam sing se matam chana laina tina pakpra ni yengdana maintain tawdra karamba matam phawba magi result to kogi mahai do phal do phangdri phaw phal do phangaba matung da ju madu sahi kuting ge dum magi term 9 adum pigedabo itargadi magi output to ikoi phajana do maintain tawidana likewise adumai tawdana software engineer sing jina ju tawdoise ngasai program mayam sing se aikoina pami badu dum phangnaba hojik ano software sing update tawreje kedobaino aina pambadu sum henjalaknaba aigi pambadu helakpa madu fulfill oinabagi damakta update tawdana leirineba mokoi mayam sing du ni maintain tawise yengasi hojik software makalani se kari no application software haibama system software haibama application software is na kamai tawbuno hai targadi isam samna aikoina hek user friendly oina karigumba thaba ma pangthoknaba honariba text ama type tawge haibara video ama namge haibara photo ama semge haibara whatever akoina aikoigi apamagi damakta tawriba pose masi kaino application software haiga khangnaiba yengsiko application software cater to the need of a specific group of user namely inventory control haibadi aikoi se inventory control amoina maming thole hairaga aikhoigi apamba thabakto madu pangthokpada sejanariba aikhoigi apamba potu phangnaba sejanariba adugumba software makhal dubu kari kawe application software for example library management system haiba wani aina si haidru ai powerpoint haiba yai microsoft office powerpoint ko hairiba poche kaino koin slide samba present tawba yanaba microsoft word kaidonaba documentation samba yanaba excel kaidonaba aikoina book oina sejanaba yanaba table oina sejanaba yanaba MX player kaino aina fangiba movies videos ado play tawraga madu yengba yanaba those are the application software ne yantare ka application software se kaino hai targadi aikoi user aikoi gi koina pami ba photo phangnaba sejanariba phanganbada mating pangiba adugumba application adugumba software do application software hai loina na system software na mangondagi kitang nathairani karino yengasi ko mo system software is set of one or more programs that are designed to control the operation of a computer system system software is a set of set or one or more programs ma combine tawi kaidona ba control the operation of computer system, control the operation of computer system haibani ko computer system je control to ba matam da season adoba isam samna aina hojik open file ana number matam da file ama open tore application software dagi application software da changa open ana number matam da kaidori file ama open tawji file du kai da lebano destination do koina pi pidra madu kaidoino ngasagi system software sida nangi control tawrine karamba control signal do open tawro haiba command do yantai ko ai masina tabo kitang thaido ga hai ge system software sin sigi nakoina heng computer sing de thengnarakini pen drive se nangi system sida ahan boy na taklong na thinba matam sida nangi system tray icon da kaigumba message ama langani USB device has found ka and it's ready to install ready to use kana dumai tharakaneba thari pochi kaino nangi system du control tawdoineba kari control tawdoiba nangi system duna nangi pen drive nangna huji puraga khudak ta hapchalido maji access lehendoineba that is the system software neba kanana operating system na so now operating system is nothing but a system software yantai ko no system software se utility program ga hairaga jo heng khangna rakini dum hojiki di yamna munna aikoina ningsing ga dabaje kaino hai targadi operating system hairiba software makhalase system software ni not only for computer phone sing da jo seasonariba nakoi hojik lollipop adu ada na hojik android ki version ma'am laidana those are the operating system software neva karigi nangi phone dugi those are system software neva yantai ko aduga application software will talk to the system software karigi ngasagi system dugi file ama ai isam samna printer je season age hai targadi application software do na directly printer do communicate over yade it has go through with the operating system dagi printer do call to doine ko maramaduna each and every application software will talk to system software in order to get the services which are available in that particular system. Yandarnika. System software supervise the working of the application software. System software communicate with the peripheral device such as printer, hard disks, and tape device, etc. I know they monitor the use of various hardware resources such as memory, peripheral, CPU, etc. Peripheral have a say the input output device in a season device sing set. Masi peripheral device hairga khangai ko hayeng computer da na koi keum kan da hangak pe ai what are the peripheral devices ka hairak pa matam da na koi ngauri dawni kari khumdoi ba input output device da lai ba hardware device sing se peripheral device hairga ju khangai yan tarani ko system software thus makes the operation of the computer system more effective and efficient obviously connect tawriba device mayam sing ado properly communicate tohon targadi yamna effective oiba efficient oiba system amu oiba haibase masana taban koi samsam na imung ama dasu mi mayam sing se fajana e paw loina phawna targadi imung do fajana adum gyan tana legani otherwise na targadi amaga paw phawna dragadi wadoine ko well utility software have a utility software is a kind of system software ang sahib do utility software hierarchy system software sing se hai se utility software se karma makhan ki software no hai kanda kind of system software ni designed to help analyze configure optimize and maintain the computer masai ki sin kai dawi hai kanda nangi hardware sing se analyze to honba configure to honba sometimes optimization to honba maintain the computer sometimes na koi hayeng techner kini utility software sida disk cleanup ana akoi hojik sidai sida dum salong no utpa yai ko sidai sida akoi ke dawi nangi okay so now sidai sida akoi na changa kanda properties is changa kanda sidai sida disk okay sidai chango aduga sidai sida disk cleanup anam yaise disk cleaner was click to matamda ekoi tongan ba software ma ko sijanabagini sida hangai se masigi process gum se karino hai targeti utility software ko weba makoi se koina all programs ko aduga sida accessories yarangani to join to ko all programs accessories aduga sida system tools ka aduga sida disk cleanup yaungani disk cleanup yaudra aduna sigi pose karino hai targeti ekoida utility program hairaga khangnebo ko so now makha tarakpasi yengsi utility are dedicated software made to handle specific tasks utility software usually come in following categories yaure ko sidai sida kari kari haina yaure disk fragmenters disk checker antivirus backup disk cleaners हाइरिबा मयाम सिंग से करिनो यूटिलिटी प्रोग्राम नि लोइना ना मुक मखा ताबदा कंपाइलर हाइबसिसु वन ऑफ द किनो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर नि मसिना कइदवी हाइबदों यंसिको कंपाइलर इज अ ट्रांसलेटर मसिगी मतंग दा आइना याम कन्न पीबे एग्जांपल से नकोइदा इवन नकोइ से कोरियन serial drama gumbase asuki matik kay hatare craziest when yengba naktani but we really don't know the language Korean akoi Korean khangba nate kanaguma kharana sum yenga kana kha toina yenga kana sum haina bai wani ko otherwise adu de khoi khangde adu su hari du ju karai de khangino hatargadi subtitle dagi khangbani natra subtitle dagi nang na khangjabani Korean drama nang yengba matamda asuki matik nangonda kai hatare nungaire nangonda yamna enjoyment ore yamna kanare nangonda kanaba message kara phangena koigi website amada suppose isam samna website natraga ju email thare na kalaji drama amagi producer da maji nangi feedback to asuki matik kharau mangi dana koi India gi kai hatare country India country da leiba citizens sing na bawa Korean drama je asuki matik highly demand oire hairak paji taba matam sida magi drama sina maram oiraga Korean gi adugumba makoi gi culture si worldwide da sak takpada khangalle haidana nang si yamna harau mangi drama na ticket ka Korea da langna ba ticket ka nangi visa ke ga loina clear to biraga thare en khalajeba nang na ada tawdoi se kaino press meeting ama khaktang tawdoi ni drama je support toramdoi ni promote toramdoi ni madugi matang da nangonda wahi kara haiona hairakadoi ne well chatlena khalasi nang je Korea se dai se chatpa matam da magi locality si di English khangdeba nang na pau phaunariba magi producer director ki gazdi English ta communicate tawbaneba magi local people to the nang hairam gadur se kamaina hairam gani nang di Korean khangbanate moina English khangbanate sigi matang sida isra ina example se sumaina piba matam sida kanagumna haiba ngami kanagumna haiba ngamde sida isra koina tawdoi se translator haiba se ke tawdoi ba aina English ta ngangani makoi dugi English su khangba Korean su khangba na Korean da translate tawgrani kaigumba akoi gi press kanagumna question hangakpa matam da moi gi local language da Korean da hangeng khalaji manu English da handokpirani nang English da reply piram doineba madugumba potuni koina hojik sida is the compiler has a karino translator ni masina to godoi thabak se kino eko human being ekoina khangiba language se high level language ne computer na khangi sidi koi low level higher ga ju khangi ko machine level language higher ga ju khangi that is nothing but the binary language ne binary language se computer na khangbani na ekoina iri po se binary da convert to ba da ka ta binary की language अखोई ना खंग दबनी ना computer ना output पिरक को binary language तो अखोई तो खंगन बम दकाता है मधु की translator मधु दकाता है मधु की हर translator से कहीं नो है ताकि compiler interpreter analyze निका तो compiler यंसी compiler is a translator program for a high level programming language it translate the program into machine level program compiler translate the whole program and then execute the program Siniko, sidai saija. Ngasai compiler sini tawrise atai kemta nate translate program to translate to ini krai da machine level language da. Machine level language da translate to bulu rakan da computer do ne execute to ri ne. Siki whole process computer sini yam na thu na to ri ne ba. Adu do na ni ko computer se suki mati yangi na ina raija. Ko yengo hojik common high level language da programming language ni computer sida koina karigumba application ama develop tauge sage hai taragadi hairi mana sida piramiba language sing sini ko sijina doisa COBOL hare COBOL asigi long form je kaino hai kanda common business oriented language ai sida hai kanda ningjange ngarang aina hai giba media gi extension sing du nakoi moi gi long form sing du phangbo itargadi WhatsApp ta nakoi gi थागनरो कदाई कदाई फो चुमी कदाई फो लाली हाइबदो चेक तौथोक्सी को नकोइना खक्तंग खंगजलगा लेगनु नकोइ खंगिबा इन्फॉर्मेशन दो नकोइ की कलेक्शन दजु शेयर तौरो कनागुंबा गूगल पाइदबा थीबा तनबजु दुम यारम बयाई का कोबोल हाइबजिमदि मसाना सिदैसिदा फंगजरे को COBOL was developed specially for business data processing. It was introduced by the US Industry Government Committee in 1960. COBOL is used for large business and commercial applications such as handling of ledgers, account, and payroll files, etc. Magi seasonal characters karaga yaure asi ningjango matang the C haibaje programming language ki maming amani ko C ena. It is a general purpose of high level language. C se akoina middle level language haraga ju khangai ko karigino hai tagadi ma se computer na su akoi ki kai hatare yamna line translate to ba aduga high level ga ju dum nakna ba adugumba potuni maje aduna low level ga high level gi marakta ju akoi gi magi behavior je khara lai haiduna maje ekona middle level language hairga ju kangnai a group of a group at Bell Telephone Laboratories USA in the early 1970s designed this language. It permits manipulation of internal processor register and hence a programmer can write low level machine instruction I know high give the call low level gi magi thabak si ju pangthok pai high level ju pangthok pai maram aduna maze ekona kedoba middle level higher ju khangnai ba Java ga na koi taramani Java is introduced by Sun Microsystem in 1995 ni Java is a programming language expressly designed for use in the distribute environment of the internet ki hek magi environment sing sida isda sijananabagi damakta aduguma design tawgibani Java se asuki matik security wangi Java da iba koi gi application sing se kanagumba koi hackers kumana amasi hack tawba matamda khara waba thoi kari gi tawba ngamoy karam kanda tawni ha kanda user duna lana sijanar kanda tawrakadoini ko it was designed to help have the look and feel of the C++ language but it is simpler to use than C++, the enforced and object-oriented programming model. Because Java se aseng madi C ji gen matang dala is C++ ai makoi je oops hai ra kangnai oops je kaino hai ta di object-oriented programming hai bajini Java je chu oops ama mani program je irakpa matam da object oina koina define tawraga na matam da iba adu duna ni ko see programming language ki jinna koina tam dabnina hena confusion or give us just remember the names of the this high level language applications ka aduga makogi points in the pyramid using se kharding jang yare free domain software haibam sulai masina kaino hai kanda software libre software is the software that can be used studied and modified without restriction Sida ama hairke hauze koina season riba PowerPoint Excel Word sing se Microsoft ki product naktani mokoi je paid version ni aduga hujiki Libero Office na lakador Libero software na lakador se mokoi je open source ni open source haibadi kaino asagi free domain software haja open source haibadi amana jadum kedoba irai laina magi details sing se season narga modify to ba season aba nang software ma develop tong ningma matam da already phangiba source code to the modify to season aba adugum software sing da open source software kawi operating system da ju linux ase open source ni mangonda paisa linux paisa piraga lai bagi darka ta de software package du phangtar gadi you can install it ka Microsoft Office sidim Microsoft Windows ko using Windows 8 9 10 gana laiba na 8 10 na 9 di laite 10 na live sing se mokoi si Microsoft ki product ni paisa pi ga dabani ka modified without restriction and which can be copied and redistributed in in modified or unmodified form, either without restriction or with minimal restriction. For software to be distributed as a free software, the human readable form of the program, the source code must be made available to the recipient along with the notice granting the above permission, such as the notice either a free software license or a notice that the source code is released into the public domain. Hariba public domain singa se sidaisda koina panganingiba software magi software se free oigadabani kodgadabani mongonda modify to ba yabagi pigadoribni hariba mayam singsini koina sidaisda open source software, that is nothing but the free domain software and alakadoise moina software se pirakpa matamda already source code khara laigani. Source code habidi program dugi already instruction iraga lairaba adugumba khara ugani ko madugi poto source code kawi. Isam samna nakoi hujik ai sida utke nakoi gi hujik nakoi ne yengnari ba Google web akoi gi keno mayam jing jisu internet ki page mayam jing jisu makoi gi source code ti right click tawraga view page source aji click tawba matamda sida pangiba mayam singa se masi kaino source code naktani nangi software is designed to the season magi mayam jingduni aduna masi kedawi karigumba masina open source or targadi this could be available in the domain ko domain du da leidoineba aduna masi gumba se koina nainarakpa matamda hayeng na koi gi kay hatare na koina yamna high class na koina makata na tamthaninga ko matamda computer gi programming gi matangda dum phangani ko. Okay, section 2 gi topic se swaida lore koi section 2 gi summary sing duni matam so leisalaktre summary sing se ai ko hapetang quickly salong na patok se loina na makha da piri ba exercise sing asidi na koi na holo na koi gi holaga ingon da thagalo angtang yeng se kadai po chumi kadai po lali habdo subjective oiba khara yaure, fill in the blank yaure, true and false yaure, do as directed haiba masu yaure. Sida is the nangi kari kari laigadori buno haiba sing do na koi gi apamba PPT sisu leirimnina na koi yengo aduga khangdaba sing do hayengi class ta nainasi. So make sure you answer all the questions whichever is there in the exercise adu dum yengo. Summary si yengasi yam quickly minute ama phaselaktre. CPU speed is measured in megahertz. Floppy and hard disks are magnetic storage device. CD-ROM and a DVD are optical disks. USB thumb drive consists of flash memory data storage device. A partition is a structural division of physical disk drive. File system is the method for storing and retrieving files on a disk. Masi ay sum pa yam thuna paraga su noi nore namu giengo matamda thuman gidna khangaroi aduna na koi nasana pazaro aduna phane na khale. Computer software can be application software and system software. Sige makata abadi koi na tawdoi se hayeng akoi nakoi gi exercise gi question sing du gi discuss tawdoi ni ko. So make sure nakoi nasagi naromdom answer sing do loina khummaga already leiro aduga nasi class yaw